What's up? It's Don't Accept Reality, and today we're going to go over things that can scare away potential home buyers and the tips for you to easily correct these things. And the first thing that can actually scare a potential home buyer is personalization. So by you having your house too personalized, you should probably remove anything that you personalize or change or alter too much. Like, for example, say you have kids and you decide to paint their entire room full of Marvel characters. You should probably repaint that into a solid color that just matches the vibe of the house, because not everybody has kids and not everybody wants to deal with repainting that room. And the second thing that could scare a potential buyer is expecting payment for features. So that includes solar panels and pools. That's kind of out of the homeowner's hands because it's already there at the house. But by you being able to provide the information or statements kind of showing how much it costs monthly for these things, it could help a potential home buyer, because everybody's budget is different. Not everybody can afford the upkeep of a pool or the monthly payment for the solar panels. So you just got to keep that in mind, just to help ease the home buyer into wanting to purchase your home. And another thing that can scare a potential home buyer is leaving the pets at home during the showing. Not everybody likes animals. Get your animals out of the house, clear it out, make sure that the home is ready to be shown with no pets, because you gotta put yourself in other people's shoes. Some people might be allergic, it's just a whole bunch of different scenarios. Just get the pets out of the house. Don't show the house with your pets in it. And another thing that could scare a potential home buyer is listing the home at an unrealistic price. List your home at a realistic price. It'll be more attractive. Work with your realtor, do some comps, see what other homes are selling for in the area, and list it at that price. Because by you doing that, it's going to be more attractive to buyers. And with the market being so hot and being a seller's market, you'll get so many buyers making offers. And then guess what? You might potentially get a bidding war on your home. And the bidding war could actually reach that unrealistic price that you were shooting for originally. So do that. And the last thing that you should definitely take care of before you show the house, so you don't scare off any potential home buyers, is not skipping the deep cleaning. Do not skip the deep cleaning. Clean your house to the T, spotless. Make it look like an Airbnb, make it look like a hotel room, something like that. Make sure it is spotless. I know it's tedious. I know it's gonna be time consuming, working through every crevice and everything like that. But as a potential home buyer, you once bought that house, so you should know how it feels when you go look at a crib or any house. You want to make sure that you're able to envision yourself in that home. So do not skip the deep cleaning, because as a home buyer, you walk into a home and you just see stains on the wall, crumbs on the floor, on the countertops, stuff like that. Grease stains on the stove, fingerprints on the refrigerator. It kind of messes the vision up. Make sure the house upkeep is amazing. Don't skip the deep cleaning. So those are my things that can scare away potential home buyers. And I really hope I was able to help future sellers or current home sellers that are going through the things scaring the home buyers. I really want you guys to like and subscribe. Check out all my other content. Don't forget to comment. And I truly appreciate y'all. Hey, what's going on, guys? Don't Accept Reality here. I have an ebook out called The Active Duty and Veteran First Time Home Buyers Guide. And in my guide, I'm giving you a step-by-step process on how to reach home ownership comfortably and with knowledge, and it's just preparing you for the unexpected things that I wish I would have known when going through my home buying process. The link to the ebook is in the description. Check it out, and I truly appreciate you guys.